Welcome back, guys, and today we have the Chili Pad OOLER, which we are going to be unboxing. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So welcome back, guys, and today we have the OOLER right here. As you can see, it's meant for sleeping, make you cooler while you sleep. It's quite an expensive accessory, but hopefully it's worth it. So right away you are greeted with this, welcome to the sleep of your dreams, and it looks like this is an instruction manual. Everything you need to know. Let's get into this. So right here, Chili Sleep written right there, as you can see. And let's find out what's in here. It feels very snuggly. Yeah, I'd say this is the pad. So here is the pad. The cord should already be connected to this. So let me just quickly check. Okay, so it does tell you. Oh, look, there's the cord. Oh, it just fell. Cooler side, so it tells you which side is cool, so I'd probably leave that on until you put it on your bed. I'm not sure if they leave something on there so you know all the time or what, like when you wash it or whatever. It does feel pretty comfortable. You can definitely feel the hoses in here. Like, look, you can, that's a hose right there. But it's not terrible, so let's put this to the side. So here we have the cording right here, and as you can see, it is insulated, so there's like insulation around the pad, so it will hold the water better in. I mean the temperature in, and this looks pretty nice. It doesn't feel too cheap, even though it's kind of plasticky. It has a little bit of cheap feel to it, this outer layer, but I think that's just because of the foam. They use some cheap foam on it, and that doesn't matter as much. So I'll have to look into how you hook this up. And then this must be the last part. Oh, it's heavy. Box to the side. And here we go. There we go. Remove that. And this must be the pod, of course. It's actually in here backwards. So of course everything is branded. You got OOLER written here again. And you lift this up, and here is the machine that should be cooling your bed for the next good amount of time. So it's definitely heavy. The plastic feels kind of cheap. That looks like it's going to leave fingerprints really quickly. You got a dial up here, probably to change the temperature. Power button, minus, plus button, OOLER button. I don't know if that does anything. Yeah, it kind of looks like a dehumidifier on the back. Of course, you got the place where you plug in to the charger, and then the thing that plugs into the hose, and it looks like that's it. Yep. So that's it for this. Put this back here. Then we got another instruction manual. I'm not sure why you need two in here. Doesn't make a whole lot of sense to me. And then we have nothing. You got your cord. This looks like a solid cord. It is like the 3-prong weird one. And then I don't know what this is. I'll have to look at this. You get this also. This might be some sort of adapter, but yeah. So let's just do a quick look at this and see where it connects exactly. It doesn't feel like it's this side. I'm not sure. Oh, this looks right. Yeah, right here. So it looks like how it connects is right there. It's kind of hidden, which is kind of nice. So you see it kind of slips up, and then you can just cover it up so you don't see that connection. And yeah, so that's how they did that. So it looks pretty nice. It definitely doesn't feel terrible. It definitely feels very premium feeling, though you can still feel the hose. And then as you can see, you do have these. These feel very high quality. Of course, they got the Chili Sleep on it, so this overall feels really nice. So I'm glad they put a lot of money really into the padding, because that is a good amount. Like, I don't care if they kind of make, I don't care if they put cheap plastic on this as much, because, you know, this I'm not going to be lying on every day. This is just going to be cooling me. So as long as the inside is good, that's all that matters to me. So I think that is everything. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm not going to do a setting up video, but I will do a review for this and tell you how I'm liking it, and if I think you should get it for yourself or not. But other than that, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to leave it a like. If you want to see more content like this, feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.